Little helper, say hi. He's a bit shy. So he's going to do all the screwing in, and Daddy's doing the pilot holes. So we'll go in with this. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Has that just gone and buried itself in there? That was a silly mistake. Well done, Daddy. Right, Daddy's not going to pilot things because they're just breaking. He'll just start them off and then Ollie can put them in. That's very annoying because now I'm going to go up a little bit. That's fine though. Right.
Oh, is it taking that away?
Let's get some of these. Plonk them in there like that.
Can you just start me up?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Oh, that's not a very good start, is it? Right, Oz. Do you want to go? Oh, careful you don't knock that, but there you go. You got it? Stop, don't go too hard, because you'll just strip the things. Once you hear it, dugger at the end, just stop, yeah?
Nah.
Okay.
Oh, that's not going anywhere until it's all drilled.
It's not going anywhere till it's all drilled. Now I'm going to do one of these here.
You can start me off again.
Yeah.
Because it's a bit wobbly.
Yeah, I wanted them piloted, but I'm not getting away with that. Right, go on then. You do the rest of the duggers. Oh, stop. Move out of the thing. And go again. Stop. There you go.
Oh.
Good lad. What's up? Do you want ear defenders?
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
No, it's not too noisy.
Mummy's being a safety ninny. That's fine. Yeah. So I'll grab these. Hope that he's not faffing around in the meantime. Proper ear defenders here, pal. Yeah, I know, mate. Here you go. Put those on.
Well,
You can't really hear me now, can you? Never mind. It's all right.
They're a
Don't.
bit wet.
Are they a bit wet? Don't worry about the wetness. It's about hearing. Right, go on then.
I couldn't hear you over the ear.
Yeah. Stop. Go in again. That'll do. Just nice.
Last one.
No, I've got two more. 1, 2. Ready?
Yep.
There you go. Oz?
I didn't hear you.
Yeah, I know. Stop. If it's just spinning, you come out the truck. There you go. Stop. That's not very good. That'll do. Brilliant. One more. Right, you wait, because I'm going to make it so it's facing you. So it's proper. There you go. You do it your way. Hold it. Stop. Stop. Just wait. Now go. That's it. Brilliant.
Can I help you with the other one too?
Yep. We'll put one at the top as well.
These ear defenders are bumping me in.
Are they? Oh dear. Well, I don't think they were. Right, it's
I
just.
don't think they're very helpful.
Are they not? Okay.
Well,
Ugh. That's fine. Hey mate. So now we're going to use big ones for the top and hope that they aren't in the way.
Dad,
Yep.
we don't need to do the other side of that because it makes Okay.
I need to do the same thing again here because they're not quite right for the... Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut a bit off.
Cut that bit off there.
That helps you cut.
That's kind of useful. And they're same both sides. So we'll get that. Get that. Don't stand on them. I don't want them bent. Sorry, just
that one's
watch
a
out.
bit dirty.
You go that way a little bit. Thank you, mate. I know it's a bit dirty.
Is that how much you take off?
Yeah, not much at all. Just out of the way, sweetheart, because I don't want to cut you or me. That side. There we go. Lovely job. Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can. Bring the box of screws. Yep, that's right. Good lad.
We want the
Green.
gold ones.
No, the gold ones are going to go in the wall, in the upright, because I've not got enough of these ones to. So 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then. Shall we just use the normal screwdriver? Do you think that might be better? Because the Dugger one, it's a bit quick, isn't it? All the fun's over before we started. Look at this one. Let's see if that fits. That fits pretty nice.
You start me off like again.
Yeah. Just make sure it's nice and straight.
Dad, I
Yeah.
can see a little bit with not
It's fine, it's fine. It's fine.
Go in.
Come on. Right, are you going to go?
Don't think that.
Right, if it just starts spinning, stop. Yeah? Keep going. That's it. Brilliant.
You start me off like before.
Yeah, let's do this one.
Think that's going anywhere when we're done?
Don't know. Hope not. Right, you go rest. That'll do. Slightly knackered screw. Wait. Let's get you started. There you go. Hang on, wait. Dad's not got hold of it. Wait. You're just mashing it. Go. That's it. Don't want to.
Going slow, so
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Good advice. Hopefully, this one missed the other one below it. Right, go for it. Slow. Probably not got the right driver. That's it. There we go.
Now, last one. Was it last one?
Yeah, hang on. There you go.
It is last one.
Wait. Now go. That's it.
There.
Pretty good. Right. So now I need your mummy to come help.
I'm gonna.
Yeah. take an age to get out of, I reckon. Good, good. Right, let's get all the stuff off of here, because this is now going to go on its end. So this all needs to be out of the way. Good, right. So we need to lift it up.
Yeah, I did all the screws.
Yeah, I'm afraid, Ollie, I'm going to have to get some of the screws in first, because I don't want it falling down on us whilst we've only got a couple of screws in. But you're doing really good. Right. So, listen, I've got quite a big hinge here at the bottom, so you're going to have to lift. You have to be careful, because what I don't want to do is bend that when it hits the ground. So I'm going to lift this edge onto these pieces of wood, and then we're going to tip it up. I think I'm going to have to help that end, but can you get there underneath? You got it? Stop, stop, stop. Ollie, don't stand there, because if it falls. Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, wait, wait, wait. Just don't.
Maybe you should get a few more wood on this side.
Well, feel free.
I'm holding it.
Yeah.
Where are your woods then?
Just there's a whole pile there, Pip. Yeah. No, probably not big ones because of the slopeness of the ground. Watch out, Oz, I'm just moving that away. It's going to kick that last time. I can't move it, excuse me. Oh, come on, you stupid hinge. There you go.
Some good exercises, Oz.
Right, I could do with you pushing to the top. Okay, just hold that. I'm going to go get the steps so I'm at the right height. It's alright, they're just here, sweetheart, they're just here. Excuse me, Ols. Yeah, you can help Mummy push.
You got it.
Don't move it.
And I'm trying, but it's quite tricky.
I don't know. There they are. These bloody pants are in the way now. That's annoying. Mind it. There we go.
Sure that bottom one's high enough?
Why do you mean?
I don't know. You just have to.
I'm happy with 2 bits of wood there.
Okay. Oh, one of them's dropped
Bollocks.
aside. Can you then fetch it, Ozzy?
Can you
See
keep
on
pushing?
next door neighbour's
Can you
one?
keep pushing?
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, man, that's side, yeah.
Just go get it, Ols. Go get it.
Next to where Dad is.
On the corner.
Pass it up.
Thanks,
Thank you,
sweetheart.
sweetheart.
Oh, you're so helpful, Olsie.
I'll go now for the neighbours.
I don't think they mind if you just come into touch through, Olsie. Of course, is it nearly done up that top bit?
I'll do
Can you
this.
see? You could do the bottom bit, yeah.
Try to, yeah.
And I'll hold it with
Oh, thanks. Thanks, babes.
The top is done.
You wanna have a look?
But we can't let go yet because it'll just hurt us and rip out the hinge if we let go now. You can have a look.
I'll do the boxing.
Can you see it there, Olsie?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks
I need this step to see it more.
Oh, we'll do that at the end, shall we? Because Dad's in the bottom ones now. Did you want to help?
Yep.
Are you allowed to help?
Yep, I'm just going to get him started so it's not going to wonk out on him.
Why are you falling down?
They're just in the way, babes.
Right, we're going to use a long thing for the bottom one there. So we'll get the first ones in first. Ow. Right, come on then.
Okay, Molly?
In you go. No, too much, just slow. No, just pulse it. That's it. And wait. You're
Very
just
good,
mashing it.
Ols.
You're just mashing it if you do that.
Good
Right.
start, Ols.
Just a little bit pulse.
Little one.
When I say pulse, just go. Let's just don't, because you just.
Just like a 1 second.
Can I
Ols.
just
a
do this one
second.
because I don't want to.
One, go, that sort of thing.
Sorry, I just want to do that so that I don't break it.
Well done, Olsie.
Where are the other screws?
Can you find
You
them?
stood on
The
them, that's
top?
why.
Oh,
That's all right.
there they are, love.
No, it's all right, sweetheart. It's all right. Don't worry. Start you off on this one.
Don't lean too much on that, Ols. It's a bit of a wobbly line.
Wobbly fence.
That'll be the next one. Get some new panels.
Right, have a go. Have a go. Wait. If it starts spinning like that, listen. If it's spinning, it's not seated, is it? That's it. That's good pulsing. Well done.
Ollie.
Because the thing is, this spins in so quickly that then that comes away from that, and then it just damages the end here. So you've got to be
Do you
careful.
understand what the pulsing is now, Ols? So
He
just
does,
a
yeah.
quick 1 second and then let go.
Hang on, wait. Let's get it in first. Let's go. Wait. Not in. There you go. In. That's it.
Lost one.
Knackering this bit.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to go get a long bit because it's so close to the ground. I need a slight angle. Oh, bollocks, where's it gone? Things haven't gone where they're supposed to go. Oh dear. Let me think, where would it be?